Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
खुनाचो यत्न केलो म्हूण सरळ अटक करपाचो प्रकार घडटा आसत जाल्यार ते कायद्याक धरून ना. स्वता एजीचोच हायकोर्टात दावो. आदोगाद पुलीस झगड्याचे केशींत आरोपी पुलिसांक अजून मेरेन कित्याक अटक करूंक ना म्हूण हायकोर्टान सरकाराक प्रश्न केल्लो. हे केशींत पुलिसांक सस्पेंड केल्यात. कस्टडीत चवकशी करपाक वा केशी विशीं पुरावे एकठांय करपाचे आसत जाल्यार अटक करपाची आसता म्हूण एजीचो आर्ग्युमेंट. गोंय सरकारान कोर्टा मुखार स्टेटस रिपोर्ट दवरलो. मॅजिस्ट्रेटान तपासाक ऑर्डर दिल्या. खरें कितें तें मुखार हाडपाचे आमी यत्न करता म्हूण सरकारान कोर्टाक सांगलें.
We pointed out that what steps we have taken insofar as having this investigation independently and impartially. We pointed out that this case was immediately transferred to the crime branch. We pointed out that the 4 constables were suspended immediately by the government, and then the investigation is rapidly going on. It is going on at a very good pace, and we expect that this investigation will be completed in 1 or 2 months' time. That was pointed out to the High Court. Thereafter, the issue came as to whether there was necessity of arresting this accused, and we argued that it was not at all required because everything that is required to be done has been completed. The recoveries are completed. Then insofar as recording of statements are concerned, it is completed. There is no allegation that there is any tampering of any of the evidence is concerned. There is no interference with the witnesses, and that is the reason we said that there is no arrest made.
केशीचेर लक्ष दिवंक सरकारान आनी एमिकस क्युरीन कायदो अधिकारी सुचोवचो म्हूण सांगून कोर्टान सुनावणी ब्रेस्तारा दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.